Hi there, welcome to Emailgistics, and welcome to your first module of the Basic Mailflow course. In this module, I'm going to show you our default message assignment and when and why you might want to use this type of assignment for your emails from your inbox to your team folders, all within Microsoft Outlook. First thing you're going to do is navigate to the Emailgistics Admin Center from emailgistics.com and click Sign In. You'll be brought to the Me page as I am here. From here, you can go to Mailboxes, select the mailbox that you want to make the change for, and then you're going to go to the Rules tab. By default, we have our automatic assignment option turned on, which you'll learn in one of the following modules in this course. To set a manual assignment option for your users, meaning that they will have to manually assign the messages from the inbox to their team folder, you're going to want to go ahead and uncheck the automatic assignment option. Once you uncheck that and you hit the Save button, no messages will automatically assign from the inbox to any users. In your Microsoft desktop application or Microsoft Outlook on the web, your users can then go to the inbox and see all pending messages that have yet to be assigned to any of the agents that are in the mailbox, select the message, and click the Assign To option in our add-in. Once they click the Assign To option, you will want to go down and find your name, or if you're using a triaging method, which means messages are coming in, you do have somebody responsible to go through the messages in the inbox and assign them to the appropriate agent, you can then select any other user. In this case, I'm assigning a message to myself, so I'm going to assign this to Rick Graham. Once I select the user, I can hit the Assign button. This will prevent anybody from dragging and dropping a message onto the wrong folder and having to spend time to go and search for that message. Once you hit Assign here, it will assign to the user that you've chosen and it will reside in their folder. Once I hit the Assign option to Rick, we can see that his count changed in his folder from 5 to 6. And if I select that folder, we can see that that message now exists in here. If Rick does need to assign this to another user, he can simply click Assign To, find the user he wishes to assign it to, or he can put it back in the inbox to be picked up by another user or the triaging person who's in charge of the inbox. Once a message has been assigned to a user, we do track when that message was assigned and if that user does reassign it. So because Rick reassigned the email to the inbox, we will know through our reports and our conversation details and conversation history section where that message ended up, how long it was in Rick's folder, and where he moved it to. You can learn about that in our Emailgistics End User course or our Emailgistics Reporting course. Thank you very much for joining me on this Module 1 of the Basic Mailflow course. I will see you on the next one.